Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Bluetooth on both devices so pairing can occur. Turn it on in Settings or the quick menu. Make the device discoverable if required. Once done, check battery levels and keep devices within 310 meters to avoid signal drop. You do this because discovery and signal strength determine whether devices can see each other. Without visibility, they won't pair. Now open the device you want to connect to and leave it on the pairing screen while you move to the next step. You now scan for nearby devices and tap the correct device name from the list. Avoid similar names to prevent accidental pairing. When a PIN or confirmation code appears, verify it matches on both devices and accept the pairing prompt. This prevents unauthorized access. After pairing, make sure to grant necessary permissions for profiles like audio, file transfer, or contacts so the connection can function fully. If you plan to use it regularly, enable Trusted or Auto Connect so future connections finish by testing the connection, play audio, transfer a file, or make a call to confirm the appropriate profile is active. If the device doesn't work correctly, toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot both devices, and if needed unpair then repair to clear corrupted settings. Also make sure no other paired device is actively connected to the same target because many devices won't accept simultaneous connections. One key troubleshooting tip: update firmware and drivers. Outdated software often causes pairing and stability problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.